right? So we'll study about figure completion. Okay, so if you see, there is some missing part are there. In this part, which will be suitable, we have to find it. So this is first one, this is second one, this is third one. So this is A, B and C. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, good. Okay, okay, okay. So here if you see, in first portion top, which will be the suitable one? Yes, C1, right? Yes, 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 yes. Don't make noise, don't make noise. Okay, don't make noise. Fine. So see here, so in the first blank, which will be the suitable one? That is, there is cloud. This cloud is there, right? So option C. Yes, option C will be the suitable in the first place. Okay, good. Yes, so if you, and A, where will A go? Yes, tell me, where will A go in the first, second, third? It will go, if you see A has what? A mountain. A will go where? In which place, tell me? It will go in the second place. A will go in the second place. Race? Right, that. Good. Now B will, where will the B go? Yes? Yes, third place. Okay? Yes, yes, third place. Okay? And where will the C go? So C will go in the first place. Right? So that is how we have to complete, by seeing the parts. Understand? Okay. So if you see here, this is a star. We have to complete it. So if you see, what will be the answer in this ABCD option? What will be the answer for this star completion? Yes? Yes. Okay. Option B is the correct answer, right? So option B is the correct answer. It will go like this, right? And then it will complete. Okay now? So that will be the suitable answer here. Okay. So this is how we have to see the figure and identify which will complete the figure. Okay, which part will complete. Understand? So will everyone be able to do then? Yes? Okay, good. So here, which is the answer in ABCD? Which is the answer? Okay, good. Yes. Yes. So option is option B. B for ball. Yes. Option B. B for ball is the answer. Okay. Good. That is, it should be in the center. Right? It should be in the center. Okay na? So here there is no, then no answer. C is there, right? C is reverse, so it should be same. Just we have to take it and place it here. Same. C is reverse, so that is why not the answer. D is no, because the shaded circle has moved towards the center. Understand? Yes? Okay, good. So this is how you have to do. So if you see here, see which will fit properly, which will fit? B1 will fit properly, right? Yes, so that is why the answer. Okay, so that is how we have to see the figure. What you have to do? You have to see the figure. In this, all three are same. All three are same means fourth will also be what? Same only. Okay now? Good. Yes. So here, what will be the answer in ABCD? Tell me. Option A. Option A na? Option A. Is it correct? Yes, sir. Okay, good. Yes. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. So if you see here, we just have to draw one line and then one this side and one what? One this side and one this side. So three lines will be there, right? So that is option A is the correct one. If you see, this one is same, this one and this one is same, just opposite to each other. Okay, so option E is the suitable. Here it is not at the center, not joining at the center, not B. Here D is reverse, this one line is reverse, so no. And C, this has not joined here, so D, that is not the answer. So A will be the answer. Understand how to do this? Yes? Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
So it is very easy. So here this is how you have to do. Okay. So which is properly fitting? Option A is fitting it. Right? Yes. Okay, good. So this is how we have to do. Okay. So now here. Okay. So now you tell me the answer for this question. No, no need of this. This is this question. So
Sir,
tell me the answer for this question. What is the answer? Okay, good. Okay, is it? Is it? So that is the answer. So let us see here. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, let us see. So here it should come like this, right? And one arrow should come here. So same should be there. In which it is there? This is down. So this is down. No, it should be here. It should be here. And here if you see C1, this is missing one arrowhead, and this is reverse. So option will be option B for ball is the answer. Right? Very easy. You can just find like that. You don't have to go inside and see this pattern. Right? You can find easily like this also. Okay. So go with the easiest method possible. Right? What you have to do? You have to go with the easiest method possible, or you can draw it also. What you can do, you can, if you are not able to get, you can draw like this. What I did, I draw, right? You can draw also. Okay. Yes, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes,
So you can
sir.
draw and do it. So this is how you have to solve the questions. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, your
So
screen is not visible, sir.
yes, yes, yes,
And
yes.
it is dark black.